everybody and welcome to my new vlog. If you don't know me, my name is Antoana and I always vlog when I travel. And currently we are in Helsinki in one destination that we both really wanted to visit. We booked the tickets 5 months ago, so it's basically free.
Yeah, at this point.
And it's gonna be super exciting because we have 3 countries planned for this next upcoming days. It's gonna be so much fun. We're meeting a friend of ours that lives here in Helsinki, so we're excited. You're not excited?
Yeah, so much.
Okay.
So of course Antoana is also injured again. She has a knee problem last time. Now she has
a problem from the skiing in Chamonix. Then this is almost fixed, but I don't know what happened yesterday from biking or I don't know what. Now this part of my foot hurts. Now I cannot walk.
Every time she lands, she needs assistance.
So in Amsterdam it's 15 degrees. People were going out doing picnics. We came to no, that's cigarette. Super
Actually,
cold.
it was not.
Super cold.
A little bit.
Super cold.
Okay, so we are here.
It's raining and it's super ugly.
2 words. Raining and so ugly.
No, show them how ugly it is. We made it to the hotel, which was super cheap, in tourist hotel it's called. And the entrance to the hotel was a bit
rough.
a bit tricky. But it is cute. For the money that we paid, it's very cute. Entrance, it's like a hostel because we have a shared bathroom. This is the outside. It looks super nice. It's super clean. It smells super clean as well. Then this is the room. We have everything we need. We even have coffee, and this is the view. I mean, the city itself it's ugly, but the view is the best you can have actually. There is even a lounge area.
A lounge is a little bit too.
I mean, it's cute. There is even a laundry place, and also for washing dishes. Another little lounge area. First stop of Helsinki is McDonald's because they have different things than us. And we ordered sour cream chicken and salsa something. How is it?
Amazing.
I'm waiting for Muli, our friend. Okay. Yes, okay. Meet our friend Muli. And this is, we are in some very niche, edgy bar where only locals go. And we're drinking long drink with orange. Very good. We also have her friend that came and we're going to this edgy underground club for another drink and maybe for the night out. And it's been so much fun talking about Finnish people and Finnish language and fun facts. Super cool night. The drinks are done. They left. A little snack. It's amazing. They have 24/7 stores everywhere. Yeah. This is something we miss in Amsterdam so much. But now we're going to another bar. It's a nightclub apparently.
So let's see.
We cannot go home.
Let's see how Finnish
even though we
people
didn't
do
sleep yesterday, we have to go today.
I mean, you know what people say? When you die, you can sleep all your life.
I really want to try my Octo Buddy. Ooh, it's working. But what else was weird is that these girls that are from here, that you just saw, they were wearing leather jackets, and I'm literally with my thickest coat, and we're dying because it's super cold. And they're like, no, it's like somewhere here. Usually in May it snows.
So yeah, I'll be lucky now.
I'm definitely not moving to Helsinki, that's for sure. And now we're going to Hercules, I told you. And everything is like in Dubai. Everything is in a building on some kind of a high floor. Exciting. Of course, the vibe. So far, we don't have a lot of luck with the nightlife here in Helsinki. But oh, so full! Wow. Welcome from from Helsinki, day 2. It was a sunny day, very nice, very warm, 5 degrees. This is like summer in Finland. Finnish summer. But yesterday we couldn't find where to go out, so then we just went home and we slept. And then this morning we woke up and I'm sick again. We have this thing that every time we go on vacation with Gio, I get sick. I don't know what's happening.
Bad immune system.
But I think I will be fine. And now we are on our way to a bakery to grab coffee and breakfast, and then we're gonna do a tour with a tour guide in the city center to see the most important landmarks. And then we're gonna go for lunch somewhere, and then we're gonna try to get into a spa, and then we'll see. For now, that's the plan.
Sounds too promising. Let's see.
This is our breakfast because nothing is open. Because it's Easter here. Wow. Nothing is open, but at least we checked around the supermarket because I really like going to supermarkets. What else? Gio is fascinated with the post terminals because it's super easy to pay. Like, it's like
Fast.
super fast. It takes literally 1 second.
Don't
Not
even have
even.
to put your card on the machine.
Super easy. Oh, and I'm fascinated with the salad bar. Yes. Because we don't have that in the Netherlands.
Learn.
He really doesn't like Helsinki. He's like, everything is so ugly.
Oh my god, I'm such a hater. I'm just saying my opinion.
Which is hate. No, but it is ugly actually. I agree. This is not that ugly. I think. Do you want to explain what we learned during the tour until now? Because we only stayed up until this on the square with the church.
Very interesting. I didn't know many things about the history of Finland. And I didn't know that at 1917 it was
still part of the
liberated from the
Russian Empire.
Crazy.
Yeah, it was also very interesting to learn about the Winter War and that they that they had no money and they were just using like handmade bombs.
Like it's like a glass bottle full of benzene.
Yeah.
And put something which they light up and throw under the tanks.
And then also they were hiding in the snow with white clothes.
And they were actually with ski.
Yeah, skiing. Can you imagine you're on a war with ski?
But it worked. And then they were going to chewing saunas. And they were going to chewing the saunas after killing like hundreds of people.
Insane.
Cute.
Another thing is we learned a few words. We know A is no.
Yeah.
Kul is yes. Moi is hi. Moi bye.
Moi bye bye.
Also, they asked us, why do you think all the buildings are yellow? And I said, because it's a happy color and it's a very depressed country. No, apparently they're yellow because it's the cheapest color.
Yes.
Another thing, they were voted for the happiest country in the world, #1, but that is so not true. They're actually super depressed. And
they have a very high depression rate and a very high
suicidal rate. Yes. So don't believe the ranking, guys. Nothing is real in this life. The tour is over. It was a bit too boring, so we decided to leave
much earlier.
Mid-tour. Can't believe that it's April and there's so much ice. And they're actually breaking the ice for the cruise ships. It's insane. Super cold. This is the first time I've ever seen that in my life. Wool soap. Whatever it means. Feels so soft though.
Never open.
I got a super nice magnet that is made out of reindeer horns. And now I'm gonna try reindeer meat and salmon soup because everybody said it's a must do. Taste test of the soup first. A lot of salmon, that's great. Boiling hot. Very salty but good. And now reindeer. Tastes pretty normal. At least we tried. Also super salty. Mamma mia. We are calm again. He has his coffee, he has his cigarette. We are sitting in front of the sun. He cannot complain anymore. Because until now it was a bit iffy. But also it's super cold, and so I understand that you can be annoyed. Hi guys, yes, just woke up from a nap. We decided we're skipping the pool because I'm a bit sick. So no. And we took a nap in the hotel, and now we are going to have dinner with our friend Muli from yesterday. And that's it. That will be everything from Helsinki. Let's see what we'll be eating for dinner. I think it's time to close the vlog. We just came back.
Sorry. Keep going.
We just came back from dinner. It was so much fun. We were laughing so hard. All the people were like turning around crazy. Talking about Harry Potter, because I hate Harry Potter and he and Muli loves Harry Potter, so they were having this huge discussion. Anyways, summary of Helsinki. Did you like it? Did you not?
Yes, I did like it.
It's an ugly city, but there is some charm to it, and I like the square. And people are actually friendly.
They are.
They're friendly. The food is super good, and if I come back though, I'll go to La Plata. But yeah, tomorrow we're waking up early and we're catching a ferry because we're going to Tallinn from here. So stay tuned for that.
Okay, but one before we close.
Yes.
How much would you rate it from 1 to 10?
Oh yes. I can give it a 5. There's not really much to do. There's
True,
not much
but I would
to do.
give it a 6 because of Muli, because
Yes.
she was the best.
Okay, because of Muli 6.
She's the
Because
best.
she was really, really, really great.
Amazing.
Local guide.
I love her.
Bye guys, see you in the next one.